Hello and welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, we've got some Zippy Zat sliders. Alright, first thing we got to do is make the sauce. A half a cup of mayo, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, a half a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of horseradish, a teaspoon of cayenne, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. And then you just want to basically stir this around until everything gets all happy and well incorporated. And then just put in the fridge, chill for at least an hour, and let's start making the sliders. Okay, sliders are in a pan over medium to medium-high heat. And I just basically weighed out on my scale about 2-ounce balls and pressed them down into patties about the size of a silver dollar. I'm just using the standard prime rib seasoning I pick up at my local grocery store. But you can use whatever you want, and if you really want to go simple, just salt and pepper. But like I said, I really like this in-store sauce. Or spice mix, excuse me. And then couple of minutes each side. Cook until they're 165 internally. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the sliders are done. Now, I decided for the cheese, well, just simple American. You want about a half a slice for each slider. I kind of broke them into fourths and did it that way. And once you got that done, add a little water, create some steam, melt that cheese right up. After the cheese is melted, put them on a plate and let them rest for at least a minute. Okay, so got some nice toasted slider buns here. Got the buns on top already. You can't really see it, but I'm topping the top buns with a little bit of that Zippy Zat sauce that we made. And I just decided to keep this real simple. You can certainly do these up any way you want, but I just went with a little relish on top because, well, if a burger doesn't have pickles on it, it's garbage. I mean, throw it on the ground. And again, you can't really see it, but I'm putting the top bun with that Zippy Zat sauce we made. And those are Zippy Zat sliders. Done.